Hello, good morning. It's a rather wet Wednesday the 17th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. And we start with a win for retirees. The state pension is set for a 4.7% bump next April. That's thanks to the triple lock, using the highest measure of inflation, average earnings, or 2.5%. The pension will be bumped up to £12,535, which is just shy of the tax-free threshold, and some are already up in arms at the potential of the state pension being taxed. Meanwhile, the OBR is concerned. The pension cost is around £10 billion more than originally planned, and that comes against the backdrop of record borrowing. Far from ideal. So all eyes remain on Reeves. She's still in a bit of a pickle, as this will gobble up much of any budget buffer she might have been planning. Growth is still flat, borrowing is still soaring, and inflation remains a concern. So urgent fixes are needed to avoid deepening this crisis. But any tweaks to the triple lock in the budget, especially after last year's raid on the winter fuel allowance, could spark a silver-haired revolt. The MPC meeting kicks off today, where inflation was confirmed as unchanged this morning at 3.8%. Most economists expect the vote for no change to be announced tomorrow. Over in the US, we are expecting a 25 basis point rate cut from the Fed today. That will be the first cut since last December. Yes, the tariffs do carry a short-term inflationary risk, but the Fed is betting that this will be a fleeting risk. Trump has got a new mole on the Fed. Governor Stephen Moran was sworn in yesterday and will vote today, but it's not all going dear old Donald's way, as a court ruled that he cannot boot out Lisa Cook. In the market, the dollar index dropped to 96.65 yesterday, the lowest since July the 1st, and we kick off this morning around 136.40 against the dollar, 115.05 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 118.55 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Hope things brighten up for you. I'll be back tomorrow. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.